Most of the snow finally melted and it's not 11 degrees. I got some new stuff. How to make your stock car street legal with golf cart parts. Yeah. It's a nice little kit. Comes with headlights, turn signal switch, high beams, low beams, and horn, all on the stick. Tail lights. Hopefully I can just extend the wiring harness because obviously it's bigger than a golf cart. Keep trimming little by little. So obviously these are contoured to a golf cart and not what I got going on here. They are adjustable up, down. A little screw, so if I can get that to sit flat, then I can get the beam right. Not perfect, just getting done. So I just threw one screw in it to hold it in place. I'd like to try and get this lip off. Not worried about the paint. So that it'll sit flat. Kind of looks like a 4th gen Camaro. Kind of ugly. Kind of like it. I was hoping I could have moved the whole thing out to the corner and kind of resemble almost a factory Illumina. But these are so small, being it's for a golf cart. And if I brought it around, then my light would be pointing off to the corner. So this is just where on this radius the light shines, that they're kind of both parallel. So we've even lined up that kind of with the corner of the hood on both sides. And you can tell this side's bigger. So I measured it before I put these two together and installed it on the car. This whole half, I think, was 2 inches bigger than this half. I'm not too picky. It's just how to get this together quick and relatively cheap. So again, these are made for a golf cart. Need to figure out which side, and do it vertical, something like that. Use the left as a right, or something like that. But it says a whole lot of curve This is somewhat flat, so I need to do some thinking. Camera died cutting these taillights out. I don't love it. Nowhere does the contour fit well on the shape of this. Can always put some fiberglass back on. Feel like this guy was made for the stock car. You got lights, high beams, turns, horn, all in one. So if you weren't already aware, a stock car is bigger than a golf cart, but the harness that comes with this particular light kit is pretty good. Just gotta make it all longer.
One eternity later.
So I still gotta tidy up most of the wiring in here. Tuck it all under the dash. Button some things up. Park lights, headlights, high beams, horn, left, left, no right. Running lights, left, still no right. Hazards, works with the hazards. Brake pedal switch. Brakes. So I don't know why I don't have right blinkers. Wondering if this switch is bad, because it comes on with the hazards. You have to chase that down. Other than that, it's a good little kit for under 200 bucks. So that's it for this episode. Gifted Garage. Golf cart lights in a stock car. See you next time.